If I had to describe our lab in one word, I would probably choose collaboration.
Camaraderie.
Good vibes.
Beehive. Everyone's just zipping in and out and working.
My lab sits right in the intersection of neurodevelopment, neurodegeneration, and regeneration, aiming to understand how the nervous system is established, how it functions, and how it copes with injury and disease.
As important as the actual research is, I think it's just as important to be an environment where you feel welcomed and included, and I think that's really the case with our lab.